progressive journalism, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
Morning 10 o'clock onwards, large number of friends from the media, from the journalist field, they have been calling up regarding a video which is getting viral regarding checking of cell phone and other things. So I would like to clarify the issue in this. In few cases of grave and sensational crime, when the accused is likely to run away, police checks all the items found at the scene of crime or available with one of the offenders who is caught. At that time, we do not know who are the gang members, who are the accomplices, and that is why from the scene of offense, whatever item is found, it is examined immediately. From the item which are found from the scene of offense, it can be a laptop, it can be a iPad, it can be a cell phone, it can be a hard disk, it can be a pen drive, it can be a camera. Everything is part of digital evidence. And that is why when the police officer reaches a scene of crime, it is his first responsibility not only to examine all the persons who are present there, examination of the witnesses, but also examination of all the items, every piece of evidences which are there has to be examined.
Hyderabad police is randomly stopping youngsters, forcefully taking their phones and checking their messages just to know whether he is a drug addict, whether he consumes ganja or whatsoever it is. This is illegal, immoral, unethical, and this clearly violates the rights guaranteed by the Indian Constitution. Article 21 clearly talks about one's personal life and liberty. Is this the way police supposed to work? This is bad, this is wrong, and this creates a very negative precedent upon others. I demand Hyderabad police to stop this nonsense as soon as possible. If they really want to stop these activities, then let them raid those places where these works are happening, which they are very well aware of.